So for the browser-side caching, I will continue with a different version of the call center dashboard. And here you will see that in the data tree that I have, when I start selecting the different times, it doesn't get refreshed instantly. So you'll see it flashes for a few seconds before the filter gets applied. Let's now see how the browser caching can help us improve this performance. So switching into edit mode again, go into the properties, scroll to the advanced section, and below the server data cache, we have the configure local cache. For the purposes of our demonstration, you will see that I have disabled the auto generate on save option, which is on by default. So when I turn this on and then I hit save, you will see that the local cache in a matter of seconds gets created. Now let's see how it has improved the performance. And as you can see, just by selecting different times, instantly my dashboard gets filtered to show the values that we have selected. Let's go back into the cache to see the different options. So first of all, we can see the different status icons such as the loaded, not loaded, the loading, and the error. Here we can see that we have only one data cache created, the data cache 1. But if we had more caches, they will appear here, and I could filter them just by selecting the different columns from the top. The current data cache that we have shows that we have 66 queries on 8 different columns, but you can see once I start applying filters, the number of queries changes that they are stored into my cache. When I select my cache, I can see the different columns that are currently being used, as well as the visualizations that use this specific cache. Furthermore, I can add more caches if I wanted to. I can reload them all, enable and disable them to optimize the performance of our dashboard widgets. Lastly, one of our latest improvements is that we can rename our caches. So if we had more than one, it would have made it easier for us to identify which cache we're referring to. So for example, here we have the UK call center cache. And this is a great dashboard performance improvement that was introduced, as we said, Cognos Analytics 12, and there is no other than the browser caching.